Hey, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel and the spring trend guide. So in case you're new, every season I head to New York Fashion Week, break down all the trends from the runway and show you easy outfit ideas wearing the trends at home. If you don't already, make sure to subscribe because there's a new video every Thursday, and today we're talking about pastels. Pastels were huge on the spring runways, and I was really excited because a bunch of you commented that you wanted to see a pastel spring trend guide. So here it is. So I'm gonna show you a few different ways to incorporate pastels into your everyday life. I think the easiest way is through accessories. So let's start off with just a basic white t-shirt and white jeans. You could do a black t-shirt and black jeans, denim shirt and denim jeans, whatever you want, but watch what happens when you add some pastel accessories. So you see you can match your belt and your shoes, whether you go for mint, whether you go for baby pink or baby blue. There's so many different options, and all I'm doing is simply changing my belt and my shoes. Now let's take it to the next level, starting with mint. So with my mint belt and mint shoes, I wanted to add an extra element with a jacket. I did this bubblegum baby pink jacket because it's a rain jacket and it has been raining a ton in Los Angeles. I don't know if it's been raining where you are, but you could do any type of jacket. Mint goes really well with light pink, and it also goes well with lavender. Speaking of pink, let's go to the light pink. So I went with more of a blush, very muted light pink. You could also do a more bright pastel. If you're not into mixing pastels, you can mix one pastel with a neutral. So I did an army green jacket. So this is a lighter version of my last outfit. We're mixing pink and green, but this time it's a soft pink and an army green. Now going to blues, which I think is the easiest pastel to wear because it goes with so many different things. So I'm starting with my baby blue belt and shoes, and now adding a jacket. I did this baby blue blazer that's a sweater fabric, so it's super comfortable. I can wear it over a t-shirt or I can wear it over a button-up. A light blue chambray with a baby blue gives a whole pastel vibe, especially when you pair it with white. But if you're more of a dark denim girl, you can do that too. Really, when it comes to mixing your blues, anything goes. The great thing about pastel blues is it really goes with any shade of blue in your closet, so have fun with it. Another way I like wearing pastels is with pastel jeans and pants. For my first outfit, I want to show how you can mix pinks and peach. They go really well together to create a monochromatic look, which is wearing the same color from head to toe, something I always talk about on my channel because it's so slimming. So you'll notice if you look up close, this peach trench is more of a nude, the pink pants have more of a lavender tone to it, and the pink shoes are more bright. But when you put it all together, it creates kind of like an ombre effect, so it works well, especially when you break it up with a white tee. Another outfit idea with the light pink pants is more casual. I love pairing pastels with stripes. So I did a nautical shirt. You can always add a denim jacket if it's cold. And then to lengthen my legs, I matched the pink pants to a pastel sneaker. Now let's move on to the biggest color of spring 2018, which is purple. I started with a lavender dress, and I wanted to show for my first look how you can wear purple from head to toe. The trick to doing one color from head to toe is playing with different tones. So the lavender dress is much lighter, the purple jacket it's a little darker, and the shoes are a medium tone. Altogether, it works. Now, if that's too much for you, I totally get it. Let's move on to another way to wear the dress, which is just on its own with neutrals. I think this dress is great for wedding season. You can wear it with a heel if it's more of a fancier wedding. You can wear it with a flat for more of a daytime wedding, but I did mix pastels. Here I did it very subtle with just a pop of baby pink on my ears. So I hope that gave you some inspiration on rocking the pastel trend for spring, and I'd love to see how you're wearing it. So throughout this series, we're using the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. So if you upload a photo to Instagram, put SS Trend Guide, and then tag me at Sydney Summer, you could be featured as the Trend Girl of the Week over on my newsletter, Facebook page, and Insta stories. So I'd love to see what you guys come up with. If you need more outfit ideas, you can always head over to my blog, sydneystyle.com, and as always, you can ask me any question you have in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye. Hey, it's sorry. You sorry?